Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make candle holders out of cement. I have laid out on my table all the supplies you would need. The first thing I'm going to do is pour a half a cup of cement inside of a bowl and then just put a little water in the bowl too. I poured too much water in my bowl, so I added another half a cup of cement inside of my bowl because I wanted it to be thick, not thin. Okay, I got my cement just right, so now I am pouring all my cement inside of my candle mold. After I finish pouring all my cement inside of my mold, I let it sit overnight. Okay, here's the next day. Now I'm trying to remove the cement from the mold. Now it was a little challenging taking it out of the mold, so I had to take it inside, run some warm water on the mold, not inside, but on the mold, and to loosen it up, and it came right out. Next, I'm just sanding the bottom of my candle holder so that it can be smooth. Okay, now I'm just going to stop talking and let you enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please come back next week on Tuesday and Thursday and watch my videos. Please subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on. Thank you so much for watching.